Hey there, welcome back again to our YouTube channel Programmer Choice. Now, this is going to be an interesting lecture because we are going to talk about the common doubt that you might get. That is, I'm just loading my page once, but why I'm getting this information again and again? Like, I loaded it once, so that means I should have console.log products once, and I have this use effect, and then console.log again. Why? Well, at the time of loading, we got the console.log and then we updated our product and then we again got the console.log because of this re-evaluation. So that means my result should be an empty array and then a filled array. That's it. Why I'm getting this twice and this twice again? Well, there are two specific reasons for this. The first one is, let me remove this use effect for now, so we can focus on the first one. So if I save this one and let me refresh it, you can see that we got this two times. Why? Well, when we use this React strict mode, this one, it renders everything twice. Now remember, this React strict mode is only for development. So that means if you are going to deploy a project on any server, this is not going to affect. Your project will only render once. But when we are on our local system, when we have a local deployment system or server, it is going to be rendered twice. If I remove this, suppose if I remove this and save this, and let me clear this one and refresh, like here you can see it is render for once. So that happens behind the scenes. That means this React strict mode renders or mount our component multiple times, let's say twice, and that's why you see this console.log was printing two times. You might see this doubt in future, so that's why I'm trying to clear it right now. So the other thing is, if I'm using this use effect, why I'm getting this two times? Let me clear, refresh. Well, the problem is when we are in a development phase, use effect also called itself twice. If you remember in the previous one, I talked about mount, unmount, and then mount again. What happens with the use effect is it call everything here and then call the return method and then call this again. Use effect call itself twice when we are in development phase. So what happens behind the scene is we call this twice and use effect also mounted twice. So that's why it is coming two times. That's why you are seeing this result here. You don't need to do math. This is happening because of React strict mode, because it mount twice and use effect also mount twice. So that is why we are seeing this for four times. And if you want to dive deep into strict mode, you can search about React document, and you can also set it with Next.js or any other framework. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.